Over the last week or so, a few more things have been completed. The painting on the main floor is done. Just a few touch-ups in a few areas. And a nice first cleaning has been completed as well. You can really see the floors now, nice and clean. The fireplace, we are still deciding on that, believe it or not, but I think we have a few ideas. So in the new year, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing with that. Stairs have been ordered. The railing is still pending, but we're going to see some installation happening probably towards the end of January. Electricians are gonna come back tomorrow to start putting in these pot lights in the ceiling. And the project is really coming together. I'm gonna show you this area here. It's the family room area, all painted. And the two-story room here with the fireplace. Chevron pattern on the floor. Looks really good. We're gonna be taking down this temporary staircase as well in the new year, and you're gonna see how this project is really coming together.